We will be arriving in Quebec City, Gare du Palais, our final destination, in approximately 10 minutes.
Welcome to Quebec City. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience staying at Les Lofts Saint-Joseph, a modern apartment in a very urban part of Quebec City. It's stylish, spacious, and self-catering, but there are a few things you should know before booking. Les Lofts Saint-Joseph is located in the Saint-Roch district, just 15 minutes on foot from the old city, and about 9 minutes from the Via Rail station. The neighborhood is gritty. Right outside the building, you'll see signs of social issues, including shelters, shuttered shops, and people struggling with homelessness and addiction. We didn't feel unsafe, but the atmosphere might not suit everyone. It's good to be aware of this before arriving. Check-in was self-service. It involves setting up an account on the Les Lofts website and getting a door code. There's no front desk, so communication is all done online. The building and apartment share a secure digital code. We felt safe throughout our stay. We stayed in Loft 202, a two-bedroom unit, about 120 square meters in size, for 228 Canadian dollars per night. It's got an industrial chic style, tiled floors, exposed brick walls, and plenty of modern lighting. The living area has a comfy sectional sofa and a flat-screen TV. The Wi-Fi worked well, which was a plus. It was clean at first glance, but unfortunately, the bins were still full from the previous guest. Not ideal. The kitchen is big and stylish, with a concrete-style island, a full-size fridge, oven, and a microwave. There's a good amount of cookware, but only the bare essentials. No coffee, no tea, no cooking oil, or even paper towels. So be prepared to buy your own supplies. The two bedrooms are in the back of the unit, with no windows and no doors, only curtains for privacy. If you're not traveling with family or close friends, this setup may feel awkward. And if you need airflow to sleep, note that the air conditioner is in the kitchen. It doesn't reach the bedrooms. The beds are small doubles, not queens. The mattresses and the linens were passable, but not hotel quality. The bathroom looks nice, with modern fittings, a large vanity, and a combined shower and tub. But there were some issues. The tub is quite high, which might be tough for older guests, and the short glass panel doesn't stop water from splashing out. Also, we found rubbish left in the bathroom bin, which housekeeping should have cleared. There's a washing machine and dryer, which is handy for long stays. But again, no detergent provided. Housekeeping was a weak point overall. You'll need to bring or buy many basics yourself. One of the highlights is the rooftop terrace. It's a peaceful place to unwind, with tables, benches, and views of the Saint Roch neighborhood. A nice spot for a quiet morning or sunset. Les Lofts. Saint-Joseph has potential. It's spacious, affordable, and close to major attractions. But you trade comfort for style, and the surrounding area may feel confronting to some. Would I stay again? Maybe, but only for a short stay, and only with close travel companions. If you're a traveler who values space and privacy, and you don't mind a bit of urban grit, this might work for you. Otherwise, you might want to look elsewhere for more comfort and consistency. Thanks for watching and safe travels.